How to see someone's friend list on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your Snapchat application. Now open it. After that, simply go to the person that you want to find the friends of. Tap on their profile icon. Now, as you can see, there are different details of that person, but not their friend list. But what you can do is tap on this plus icon and then go to find friends. Now, all your contacts will be displayed. After that, you will only be able to find how many mutual friends you have with them in common, but not who are their friends and how many friends do they have. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.